Alright everyone, what's going on in today's video? I'm going to show you guys how to pair the clone AirPods Pro from madgeniuset.com. Links in the description if you're interested in buying one of these. So I want to show you guys how to pair them up with an iPhone XR that's using iOS 13. So what we're going to do, of course, you got to make sure these are fully charged or have some battery life in them, and they pretty much operate the same way like the real AirPods Pro. So we're going to go into settings here. We'll go to where it says Bluetooth, and then we'll go ahead and turn that on. So while it's doing that, it's going to be searching for nearby capable Bluetooth devices. And then with the clones here, we're just going to simply open up the case lid like this, and we're going to get that pop-up animation that's going to show up, okay? So these look just like the real deal, but they're not, guys. They're super copies. We'll select connect here, and it's going to tell you to hold that button on the back of the case, which is this button here on the back. So we'll press that down and hold it until that white light appears. It'll blink, and once it does that, it will show you that it is connecting. And while it's connecting, it's going to show you the media control thing, just like the real deal. So just go ahead and remove them. Okay, we'll just go ahead and close that lid out, and we can just close this out. And then it's going to show you the AirPods Pro here as they are out of the case itself, and it's going to say connected. So these are the clones, by the way, and just to show you guys that these are the clones, the real ones will have the entire piece come out, whereas the clones will just have the ear tips come off, okay? Unless in the future they make one that has the real thing like the real deal, okay? So these are the clones. Hopefully this guide was helpful. As you can see, they're connected, and that's that. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and thanks for watching.